Okay, so in previous video, we are facing some issue, right? Because our HTTP basically the Apache service is unable to install. But after stopping the video, I tried and I believe there was some space issue. Like it's the same script like I'm trying, right? So yum update minus v, but just the minus y is before. Even I tried this way as well earlier, but it did not work. Yum install minus y httpd system ctl start httpd system ctl enable httpd. Then we are echoing some hello from this and then putting into the var www.index.html. All right, and so everything is looks same only. So I believe I just delete everything and rewrite the script. I believe the previously maybe some space issues, but now the script is running. So if I copy this and try to launch this, so now you could see our web page. So hello from and the IP address. So if you see, the IP address is the private IP address. So basically we are launching from the public IP address, but internally the script is running on the actual virtual machine, that is the internal IP address. So that's why we are able to see the internal IP address. So hostname is the full hostname. So I'm not sure what actually was the issue. Maybe because of spaces. So basically what I did after stopping the video is just go to here. I stop the instance, go to the edit user data, and then delete everything and write the same script again. That's it. So nothing else I did. Maybe some space issues probably that create the issue. Otherwise everything looks okay. So in this way, so we have seen what is EC2, how to spin up, how to give the tags, right? And what is the user data, how to stop and start the instances. So which instance we have to use as part of the free tier, right? So a lot of things we have seen. So let's stop the instance because we don't need. So let's stop the instance. After stopping we can terminate the instance as well. So terminate the instance. Okay, so you will see earlier instance has already terminated. So once the terminated, so for few minutes there could be chances you able to see over the console, but after once everything got finished, it will also remove from the uh, this console as well. So you will even not able to see the terminated instances over the AWS console. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video. So we have seen the basics of Imagine EC2. We have seen what is user data. We have seen what is the advantage of the tags. All right, so along with that we have figured out some issues as well, how to change the user data. All right, so the other things I have told you, try to work on the IM user rather than the root user. So basically create a new user and then log in into that user, give the particular user as administrative access rather than the working on the root user. So that's the end of the video. You can try to create an AWS account, and it's the 12 months free. So start taking the advantage. Yeah, thank you.